Hey everyone, New Holdings reported second quarter earnings results, which I'm going to review in this video. I'm also going to update my recommendation for new stock. Coming into this report, I had the stock rated as a buy, so you're going to want to tune in to see if I'm changing that recommendation. But let's start with earnings results, which revenue increased to 1.9 billion. That was an all-time record for the company, and that was a 60% increase from the second quarter of last year. Net income of 225 million was compared to a 29.9 million loss in the second quarter last year. So you're seeing new generate economies of scale here as revenue is growing, it's improving the bottom line, and that's excellent news for investors. New added 4.6 million customers in the second quarter and 18.4 million year over year to reach a total of 83.7 million customers globally, and that was as of June 30th of 2023. So phenomenal customer growth, and impressively, it's not only new is growing customers, but they're growing engagement per customer, with the monthly average revenue per active customer reaching $9.30. That was an 18% increase year over year. Typically, companies that are growing new customers as rapidly as new is, you'll find that they're not growing average revenue per customer, because with so many new customers coming on board, it takes time for new customers to increase spending, increase engagement on the platform, and so that brings down the average revenue overall. Your older cohorts, the customers that have been with you for a couple of years, those generate typically higher average revenue per customer because they've been around the platform. You've had an opportunity to introduce them to all of your different products, and so you're generating more revenue from them. So it's impressive that new is increasing the average revenue per customer despite the fact that it added 18.4 million new customers year over year. So a strong 1-2 punch from New Holdings in this quarter. Now, New Holdings has a strong presence in its home market in Brazil, and it's getting to the point where it's saturating that market. So I'm happy to see them expanding internationally. And so one of the countries they're expanding to is Mexico, where New's customer base increased by 33% to 3.6 million, and in Colombia, which grew to around 700,000 customers, which is 133% year over year growth. So this in Mexico, just 1 month after its public launch, Cuenta Nu crossed the 1 million customer milestone. So it's nice to see New gaining traction in other Latin American countries because it's got such a strong foothold in Brazil already. There isn't much left in terms of long-term growth for New in Brazil. Other than maybe, yes, you could increase your monthly average revenue per customer, but not in terms of new customer growth. New customer growth can come from other Latin American countries and other countries worldwide. So this is good to see New expanding and achieving success in other countries outside of Brazil. So to update my recommendation of New, I'm keeping the stock rated as a buy. This was an excellent quarter from New, and I still like this company, its growth, new customers, average revenue growth per customer. It's doing an excellent job, and so I'm still recommending the stock as a buy. All right, but that's all I've got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.